You have probably thrown away things this week that a master craftsman would look at and see a fortune. We live in a world that is completely obsessed with buying the next brand new thing, upgrading to the latest model, and treating everything else like absolute garbage. But what if the real treasure isn't sitting on a store shelf at all, but buried right at the bottom of a scrap pile? There is a 65-year-old carpenter who has spent his entire life working with his hands, and he is about to show you why everything you think you know about trash is completely wrong. He takes a piece of wood that looks like it belongs in a fireplace and starts treating it like rare marble. At first, you might look at what he is doing and think he's just wasting his time. He's measuring, cutting, and carving a completely broken piece of lumber, and for the first couple of minutes, it just looks like a slightly cleaner piece of scrap. But there's a massive secret hidden inside this specific build, something he does not reveal until the very final seconds, and once you see how the locking mechanism actually works, you will never look at an old piece of wood the same way again. Think about the sheer amount of knowledge that sits inside the mind of someone who has been practicing a single craft for over 4 decades. He does not use computerized CNC machines or fancy 3D printers to get these perfect lines. Every single movement is pure muscle memory and instinct. When you watch him slide his chisel along the grain, it looks almost effortless, like he is cutting through warm butter instead of solid oak. But that level of smoothness only comes after making a million mistakes and learning exactly how the material responds to pressure. You can actually feel his experience in the way he handles his tools. He knows exactly how much tension a joint can take just by the sound the wood makes when it slips into place. It makes you realize how much we have lost in our modern, fast-paced life, where everything is made of cheap plastic and held together by temporary glue. This project isn't just about making a box, it is about proving that old-school discipline can still completely outperform modern manufacturing. As the box starts taking shape, you can see the true genius of the design. He is not using a single metal screw or nail to hold the main structure together. Instead, he's relying entirely on traditional joinery. This is a method where the pieces of wood are cut so precisely that they lock into each other like a complex puzzle. If you miss your measurement by even a fraction of a millimeter, the entire structure will either warp or completely fall apart. It requires a level of patience that most people today simply do not possess. We want everything instantly, but true craftsmanship demands that you slow down, breathe, and focus entirely on the physical matter right in front of you. The sides of the box are perfectly flush, and the grain of the wood wraps around the corners seamlessly, creating an illusion that the entire object was carved out of a single solid block. But the real magic is what happens underneath the surface. This is where the secret storage compartment comes into play. To the untrained eye, it looks like a beautiful, ordinary wooden container. You could pick it up, turn it over, and look at it for 10 minutes without ever realizing that there is a hidden vacuum chamber built directly into the base. To open it, you have to find the exact pressure point that releases the internal wooden latch. It's an incredibly clever mechanical design that uses the natural flexibility of the wood itself to create a spring-loaded lock. There are no batteries, no electronic keypads, and no metal springs to rust over time. It's a completely analog security system that will easily last for hundreds of years without ever failing. When you see the final product polished and shining under the workshop lights, it's almost impossible to reconcile it with the dirty, split piece of lumber he started with. It forces you to think about potential. Not just the potential hidden inside a discarded piece of scrap wood, but the potential hidden inside all of the old, forgotten things we cast aside every single day. We are so quick to dismiss the old ways of doing things, and we are so quick to assume that newer always means better. But this master carpenter is living proof that soul, dedication, and deep knowledge can create masterpieces that modern factories could never replicate. It's a powerful reminder that beautiful things take time, and the best things in life are often built from the remnants of what others threw away. Thank you so much for sticking around to see this incredible transformation come to life. If you appreciated the artistry and dedication of this master carpenter, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment with your thoughts on this build, and follow for more incredible stories of creators reviving lost arts. By the way, I'd love to know, where are you watching this from? Drop your location in the comments so I can personally thank you.